All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Tectonic. Coin's down slightly a little bit. Go to their website, go to their Twitter account. What's going on with mining or dual rewards? We're going to talk about that. Also, the Piston launch, really good. A lot of people got their tokens. We're going to go over to Piston. We're going to go over a little bit about Piston Token. And then also we're going to talk about the gas prices in the USA. Up, down, are they getting any better? I don't know. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, over here, Tectonic is number 3148 on CoinMarketCap. Blow this up a little bit. It's down 10% right this second in the last 7 days, down about 0.5%. Clicking it. All right, over here, it's again down only a little bit, about 1%. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 94, 91. We'll come and do a price prediction here when we're done here. Tectonic in the last 7 days is down 10%, and the day is just kind of right here. Last 7 days, it is down a little bit, 10%. In the last 7 days, not quite a ding, 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 not a 12 or 15 or 20%. But let's take a look at over here. All right, over here at their Twitter account, Tectonic, the cross-chain money market on Cronus chain. So a lot of good things going on. Here's some big news. We have exceeded our 1 billion in total supply. Thanks to all the Tectonians for the big milestone. Head over to the app Tectonian Finance, borrow assets, and unlock liquidity. Now this is totally big here, everybody. Tectonic, over $1 billion of total supply, and about half of that is totally borrowed. Tectonic, go, go, go. It says, we have just launched our TSUD market today. Double-digit yields right now. Probably nothing. Says you can find out more about the Tectonic staking in previous posts. Staking is one of the biggest things to celebrate the milestone. We're distributing a long-awaited Tectonic airdrop. Airdrops are coming, you know that. It's fantastic. Going over to the website here, Tectonic Shift Lending and Borrowing. You know, Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant-backed loans. Pretty excited. Powered by Cronus. So Cronus is powering this. Total supply, we just figured it out, over $1 billion. Super big with the 1B. And total borrowed is about half of that. Generate passive yield on your assets. Crypto assets deposited in the Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on the dynamic rates according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockups. So over here, we got instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets in Tectonic. Start borrowing today. All right, keep your funds safe is our top priority. Audited smart contracts, open source. Audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by lending, blockchain, security audited, Slomis. Open source and open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic is proudly committed to. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We're going to come back to Tectonic for a price prediction in a little bit. What's going on with Piston? All right, start your engines. All kinds of people got tokens for Piston Token, which is fantastic. We're going to go over and look at this for a little bit. All right, we're over here at Piston Token, available swap. The Binance Chain BSC token built on the best in the class decentralized token. Piston was designed to run as an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens into the Piston Race dashboard app. All right, so here you go. Piston's at around $13 right this second. I picked up 216 of them up here in the top right. I'm going to put some of those in the race here. The token race, the Piston token, and the Piston Token Race. So the token to run an ecosystem, fully tradable and available for everybody. Built on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Total supply is about 1 million. 10% tax on buys, exchanges only. 10% tax on sales. They do the breakdown. 1% goes to burn. 2% liquidity to PancakeSwap. 3% for marketing and development. And 4% to the contract balance. Over here to the right, you got your Piston Race, the ROI dashboard app for depositing your Piston token today. Earn 1%. Max payout is 365% of your total deposits. Reinvest to maximize your APY. 5% direct referral reward system. Withdraw initial investment. Claim fee is 10%. Deposit 5% goes to the upline round robin. 5% of that 10% goes to the contract balance. Got the white paper, Piston Token. Just in the first thing it says, when a user deposits PSTN to add fuel to the gas tank, they will receive a 1% daily return for up to 365% of the amount in the tank. Amount for calculation includes new tokens deposited as well as compounding uses the nitro button. So you kind of want to go through the white pages to kind of know this. My biggest thing today is that actually people did get tokens. All right, so the Piston token's traded about $13.27. It's going to launch today, so let's go ahead and get this token launching today. All right, Piston token. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Did you get some Piston? Are you putting it into the race today? Today's the day that the engines start. Get 365%, 1% back every single day. All right, let's talk about the gas prices in the U.S. Are they getting any better? Are they getting any worse? What's going on with gas prices? All right, over here at the AAA website, gasprices.aaa.com, the average price in the United States, $4.18. California still almost kissing $6, $5.85. Montana's $4. So scroll down here. So the current average is $4.18. A year ago, the average was $2.87. And up here at the top, they got regular, mid-grade, premium, diesel, and so forth. Diesel right now is over $5 everywhere, the current average. And a year ago, it was $3. So we got $2 more than a year ago. So comparing everything, let's go ahead and do one of these states here. Let's pick Mississippi. Clicking it. And boom, they pull up Mississippi. Here's all the different counties. The average price in Mississippi is below the average in the country, $3.86. You can hover over which county you live in to see which one's cheaper and go from there. So how do we actually combat these gas prices being so high? Well, remember, we got a couple different theories. At your job, you need to carpool. So 2 strategies: find one friend, and you drive 2 weeks to work, and your friend drives 2 weeks to work. In that scenario, you would save 50% of your gas. Now, you're going to have to pick your friend up and vice versa, so there's a little bit of, try to find somebody close to you in the same development or same city. So there's a good strategy. Second thing, this is the ones you can save 75%. Get 3 friends. Each one of you drive 1 week of the 4. You're driving 25% of the week. You're actually saving 75%. That's fantastic. The people you're driving, you see them at work anyways, so is it worth the 75% savings? Little inconvenience to pick Bob up first and Sally and so forth and so on. So good idea from Frank's Crypto Corner. Side hustles, you can start those, these different drip networks and everything that's going on. All right. Also, going to the grocery store. You may have to go every 2 weeks instead of every week. Get twice as much groceries, but it cuts out one trip there. Also, like Walmart's and different grocery stores will allow you to order on their app or order on the computer, and they ship it right to your house. So this convenience of ordering your groceries and having it shipped to your house, you may want to take them up on it, because if you can save over here on going to work or going to the grocery store, you can put that into other things. It sucks that the gas is so much higher right now, but you do got to have strategies. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on anything. Let's head back over to Tectonic for a price prediction. All right, back over here at Tectonic's website, some frequently asked questions. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic money-making protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income or borrow funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. How does Tectonic work? Funds deposited by users are provided by liquidity to borrowers who may be at a variable interest rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilization rates. Tonic is the Tectonic protocol token with 2 keys use cases: governance and staking in the community insurance pool to secure the protocol and earn more rewards. Join the community. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, what's our price prediction? We think it's going to smash a 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of these zeros is going bye-bye. The 94.82 is going to click over. So that's our price prediction. All our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. Again, we do this for entertainment purposes only, not a financial planner here. All right, Tectonic down to 10%. Got a lot of things around it that happens to be up. Take a look at Rain Games. Rain is up 34%. All right, so Tectonic, not quite a ding, ding, ding. It's only down 10%. Keep an eye on it. Lots of good things going on. They got $1 billion in surplus, which is real, real big. Piston Token, people got tokens yesterday. They're getting them every single minute. The race starts today. Fantastic. And then let's not forget, gas prices are tough. Figure out a strategy to try to save a few dollars. All right, everybody. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about Drip Network at 1% back a day, 365%. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. And you have a fantastic day.